Okay, hello Plavan. I actually looking towards selling on the USD because based on the 200 EMA is kind of like a, a strong down move followed by a channel which is probably this channel is probably just a pullback for based within the higher time frame. Then also as you can see at the extreme at this area where the buyers tried and it is kind of just it's only been able to make a slightly new high over here, and it's got smashes right back down with a trap area over this at this purple area. So this is a seller's territory within this 1 hour time frame with the is aligned with the direction of the higher time frame. Then let's move on to this area where I think this is kind of a refresh where the buyers came out and take out these last sellers, and it goes very strongly. Then as we can see that after like many tries over here, like why did it take so long for these buyers to push us the price anywhere higher, and it is immediately smashes right back down over here. Then also we can see from the volume that these candles here is is kind of higher than the volume at the bottom right over here with this all here the volume is transferred over to a downside when the the sellers broke down of this range. So I'm actually looking at some struggle in the trap area over here, which it might slowly take the price back up into this area and it smashes back in again, or it might just take off from here. That's the reason why I'm selling. So if you guys have any feedback, welcome to share them. Thank you.